Are you looking for something to add to your home gym that just takes your workout up to the next level, but also helps to relieve some tension in your body? If so, then I highly suggest this Lifepro vibration plate. So I'm going to take the video with me to show you a few little features about it. So as you can see here, there's a couple of things on the top. So it says running, jogging, and walking, same on the other side. So that lets you know if you open your legs closer or wider, that's gonna determine the vibration that's going through your body. So here you see that there's a time adjustment, speed adjustment, start, stop, and then there's also something called a program mode. So if you want the plate to just choose a program for you, so it's going to manually adjust the speed and the time for you, then you can just push that program mode and get started. So I'm going to go ahead and choose program 1, and I'm going to get started, and then I'm going to show you what you look like using it and talk to you a little bit at the end about how you feel afterwards. So I'm going to choose program 1. I'm going to get started. As you can see, it is fairly light. I'm in the walking position. If I open a little further, I'm in the jogging position. And here is the running position. So it comes with some bands that you can use to do a workout where you can lift while you're doing this, but this is great for squatting. It really makes you engage your core muscles as you're using it. And sometimes I just turn it on whatever speed I want. So usually I do about 20, and I'll do it for 5 minutes. And I just feel like it really helps my blood get flowing. You can feel your skin gets a little bit itchy when you after you're done vibrating, because it's really just moving your blood around. So if you find that this is something good for you, I would definitely check it out.